Hello, I'm Bev Sherritt, one of the patent specialists. I'd like to introduce SAS, a Google extension that provides accessibility to digital data, graphs, and maps for students with blindness and low vision. SAS Graphics Accelerator, a no-cost Chrome extension that has been developed by Analytics Software Solutions, can capture graphs or maps from the web and add voice and sonification to help students auditorily read and understand data. Here's a quick demonstration of the extension's capability. So let's say a student needs to access a graph, such as this one from the CDC website showing cases of COVID-19 in Indiana from March until the present. They would simply click on the SAS extension. When you click on the extension, you'll see a pull-down menu with extract tables from this page. So I'm going to choose that, and it will gather whatever data is on that page into a table. It's showing the first 4 data points out of 228, and I'd like to see all of those data points. So I'm going to click on Show Full Data Table. Then I'm going to save to my laboratory, which is basically SAS's dashboard. After it's saved, the data, you can create graph. Choose your chart type. I'm going to choose a bar chart. Then a couple of clicks on the variables you'd like. I'm going to use my x-axis in days, and my y-axis variable will be Indiana, which will come out in numbers. And then there are a couple of other options, but I'm just going to go ahead and submit. And now you'll see highlighted on my laboratory a bar chart showing Indiana by day. So if I click on that,
day equals 1 and equals 26.
It's created my bar graph, and it automatically recites the first data point. Then I can use my navigation keys, the arrow keys, to navigate to the right.
Day equals 2 and equals 33. Day equals 3 and equals 47.
So if I'm looking for a particular day, I can navigate with the arrows to there. But I'd like to hear the overall shape of the graph. So I'm going to hold down the right arrow key and play the graph musically.
Day Day equals 228 and equals 3,236.
If you'd like to learn more about the SAS extension, or just about accessibility on the web in general for students with blindness and low vision, please contact me, Bev Sherritt, at bsherritt@patentsproject.org, or on Twitter at Bev Sherritt.
Thanks for joining us today on Patents TV. You can follow us on Twitter, Facebook, or at patentsproject.org. That's spelled P-A-T-I-N-S project.org.